AI is making waves in medical diagnostics. Imagine a doctor examining an X-ray or MRI scan. With AI, these images can be analyzed faster and with incredible accuracy, helping doctors detect diseases like cancer at an early stage. AI algorithms can identify patterns that might be invisible to the human eye, leading to early and accurate diagnoses. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting and impactful applications of artificial intelligence AI in healthcare. Globe with Meridian's woman health worker robot face from revolutionizing diagnostics to enhancing patient care, let's explore how AI is transforming the medical field. The benefits of AI in diagnostics are immense. Early detection can save lives, improved accuracy reduces the risk of misdiagnosis, and faster results mean patients can receive treatment sooner. Next up, let's talk about virtual health assistants. These AI-powered tools are like having a personal health advisor available 24/7. They can answer medical questions, remind patients to take their medication, and even monitor symptoms. By using natural language processing, these assistants can understand and respond to patient queries in real time. Virtual health assistants offer a range of capabilities, from checking symptoms to providing medication reminders and health monitoring. They empower patients to take control of their health and make informed decisions. AI is also transforming hospital operations. Managing patient data is a massive task, but AI can help streamline this process. By organizing and analyzing large volumes of data, AI can provide insights that improve patient care, optimize resource allocation, and enhance hospital efficiency. The impact of AI on hospital operations is significant. Better data management means fewer errors, resource optimization ensures that hospital staff and equipment are used efficiently, and overall enhanced efficiency leads to better patient outcomes. In the realm of research and development, AI is accelerating the discovery of new drugs and treatments. Traditional drug discovery is a lengthy and costly process, but AI can analyze vast amounts of data to identify potential drug candidates faster and more accurately. The benefits of AI in drug discovery are clear. Increased speed means new treatments can reach patients faster, cost-effectiveness reduces the financial burden on healthcare systems, and precision ensures that the most promising candidates are pursued. In summary, AI is revolutionizing healthcare in numerous ways. From enhancing diagnostics and virtual health assistants to improving hospital operations and accelerating drug discovery, the potential of AI to transform medicine is immense. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed